Today you're going to be learning how to regain your privacy within Windows 10. But first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly, and if you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button down below, as well as the join button. Be part of our community who gets to participate in our monthly live streams, as well as our private Discord channel. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this, it is because as humans, we have a fundamental need to privacy in order to feel free to have our own unique identity, to have our own philosophies, and to be basically human. Otherwise, we'd just be clones of each other. And this is why I'm doing this episode. And we're going to start off with Windows 10. And you're going to understand some of the stuff from my other episodes to why I set up my own Windows 10 in this way. So let's get to my desktop. So from the desktop, you're going to click the Start menu, you're going to click the gear icon, which is Settings, you're going to go straight to Privacy, and you have two sections, Windows Permissions and App Permissions. We're going to start with Windows Permissions. Notice how I turned off everything? There are reasons for it, but you get to decide how much or how little they get to know about you. So obviously things like tracking app launches, suggested stuff, and even advertising IDs. Then you got speech, inking, and typing. Well, you can turn those things on and off if you want, as well as diagnostic information. By the way, they don't need full information. This is them just collecting information that they can resell. So I would suggest you go basic and turn everything off, and don't forget to delete diagnostic data. It is your right. It is your computer. You didn't get this operating system for free. You actually paid for it. As well as the last section of Windows Permissions, Activity History. I turn everything off, and you should also clear the history of it. But there's this link right under here. The clear button doesn't clear that. You have to click the Manage My Microsoft Account Activity Data and go through every single section and delete everything that you want deleted. Now, I did an episode on VPNs and why VPNs don't hide your location. This location app permission is one of the reasons why. If this is not disabled, then they can gain the information about your location through the VPN anyway, because it will just give the information to the apps on your computer. So you need to make sure that this is off for your actual location to be hidden in a VPN. And obviously there's a whole bunch of other settings related to camera, microphone, notification, account information, and all that. Go through all of that. You can turn things on and off as you want, and you become in full control of your privacy. Only when you have the right and you feel like you're capable of deciding your privacy levels do you actually feel in control. And this is one way of feeling totally in control. It is not the best, but it's as good as we're going to get it for now. Like this episode if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and as well use the contact form to email me directly. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.